Today, we are preparing a gentle and nourishing dish, steamed meatballs with rice. This recipe is specially designed for people with stomach problems, such as mild gastritis or digestive discomfort. It is soft, easy to digest, and packed with nutrients.
We begin with 150 grams of lean beef. The meat should be free of fat and tendons. Beef provides high-quality protein, which supports tissue repair and helps the stomach lining heal without irritating it.
Next, we cook 15 grams of rice in half a cup of water until it becomes a thick, smooth porridge. Rice is one of the most easily digestible grains. It coats the stomach lining, reduces irritation, and gives gentle energy without overloading digestion.
After the rice cools slightly, we combine it with the minced beef. This creates a tender texture that is very gentle on the stomach. Together, beef and rice make the meatballs both nutritious and easy to digest.
We add 1/6 of an egg and 5 grams of melted butter. The egg provides easily absorbed protein, while butter adds healthy fats that soothe the stomach and give energy without heaviness.
Now we shape the mixture into small meatballs and place them in a buttered pan. Small portions are easier to digest and perfect for sensitive stomachs. We cover the meatballs with cold water and simmer them gently for about 5 minutes. This steaming process makes them soft, moist, and very easy to digest. The finished meatballs are served warm, topped with a small piece of butter. They are tender, nourishing, and perfect for people recovering from stomach illness. This dish gives strength without irritating the digestive system. Steamed meatballs with rice are more than just food. They are gentle medicine for your stomach. Eat slowly, chew carefully, and let this soothing dish bring you health and comfort.